You ever notice how some guys don't even speak much, but the moment they walk in, people notice? It's not because they're rich. It's not because they're famous. It's because they look like they care. The truth is, your dressing sense and cleanliness speak before you do. It's the first language people understand. And you don't even have to say a word. Let's talk about it. Because most guys don't realize how much they lose in life just by ignoring how they dress and smell. And it's not about wearing expensive clothes. It's about showing you respect yourself. Think about this. If you walked into a shop and saw two phones, both work the same, but one is clean, polished, shining, and the other one is covered in fingerprints, dust, and scratches, you'd automatically go for the clean one, right? That's how people look at humans too. When you dress clean, fit your clothes right, smell good, and walk with calm confidence, you instantly look like someone who takes life seriously. And here's the thing. People treat you how you treat yourself. If you wear wrinkled shirts, dirty shoes, and smell like you don't care, the world thinks you don't care. Simple as that. Let's start with the basics. Your clothes don't have to be expensive. They just have to fit. Fit is everything. You can wear a simple plain t-shirt and jeans, but if it fits your body well, shoulders sitting right, sleeves not hanging loose, it'll look 10 times better than a designer shirt that's too big. People think confidence comes from mindset, but half of it comes from how you look in the mirror. When you wear something that fits right, you automatically stand different. You don't pull your shirt. You don't hide behind your hoodie. You just walk naturally. That's confidence built through presentation. Now, let's talk about cleanliness. You can have the best outfit, but if you smell bad, it's game over. And I don't mean just perfume. I mean hygiene, brushing twice, using a tongue cleaner, taking proper showers, washing your face in the morning and before bed. You don't need a 10-step routine. You just need to be consistent with the basics. For example, I remember this one guy in college. Never wore anything fancy. Just plain shirts, clean sneakers, and good hair. But he always smelled fresh. Every time he passed by, people noticed. He wasn't the best-looking guy, but he looked put together. That's what makes people attractive. Effort. Now, let's talk about your shoes. Most guys ignore them, but people notice shoes more than you think. You could wear a $1,000 outfit, but if your shoes are dusty, it ruins everything. Keep 1 or 2 pairs that match most outfits. Clean white sneakers and 1 darker formal pair. That's all you need. Keep them clean. It's not about how much you have. It's about how well you maintain what you own. Because when you maintain your things, you build discipline. And that discipline reflects in every part of your life. Same goes for hair and skin. You don't have to have the perfect hairstyle or flawless skin. You just have to look like you take care of yourself. Wash your hair regularly. Find a haircut that suits your face, not just trends. And for skin, drink water, sleep properly, and wash your face twice a day. That's 80% of skincare. Here's a small detail most guys miss. Your nails. Dirty nails or bitten nails instantly ruin your look. You could be wearing the best outfit, but the moment someone notices your nails, it tells them a lot. These small things add up. And here's the part people don't talk about. Dressing well doesn't just change how others see you. It changes how you see yourself. You start feeling cleaner inside. You think more clearly. You stop being lazy. You move different. When your outfit is clean and your shoes are fresh, you feel like doing more. When you wake up and dress properly, even if you're staying home, you feel more in control. It's like telling your brain, I'm not a mess anymore. Because the way you look outside often reflects what's going on inside. And bro, this part is important. Smell. Smelling good is one of the most underrated things a man can do. A nice cologne doesn't just make you attractive. It makes people remember you. You don't need to buy luxury brands. Just find one clean, mature scent that matches your vibe. Something subtle, not too sweet or loud. And always apply it on your pulse points, neck, wrists, and behind ears. A few sprays are enough. Another thing that separates well-dressed guys from the rest is color coordination. Keep it simple. Black, white, gray, navy, beige, these are your best friends. You can mix and match these colors and always look clean. Avoid too many patterns or bright colors unless you know what you're doing. A simple fit that matches will always beat a loud outfit that doesn't. Here's an example. Two guys walk in. One is wearing bright red pants, a graphic hoodie, and colorful shoes. The other is in a plain black t-shirt, blue jeans, clean white sneakers, and a chain. Guess who gets more respect? The second guy, because simplicity is confidence. Now, let's talk about body language and posture. Even the best outfit looks bad if you walk like you're tired of life. Stand straight, shoulders back, chin up, don't fidget or slouch. You don't need to act cocky, just look comfortable in your own space. That's what people find magnetic. And one thing a lot of guys don't think about, clean clothes mean clean mind. When your wardrobe is organized, your room is clean, and your clothes smell fresh, you mentally feel lighter. You start focusing better. You stop rushing every morning trying to find something to wear, because your things are already in order. It's not fashion, it's self-respect. You start realizing you don't dress for others. You dress to remind yourself who you are becoming. Let's say one day you go out wearing a wrinkled shirt and slides. You feel off. Now imagine another day. Your outfit fits well, your shoes are clean, your hair smells good. Even if no one compliments you, you feel more alive. That's the silent power of presentation. And girls, they notice everything. You don't need to be model-level handsome to stand out. A clean look, nice smell, and well-fitting clothes show discipline, which is rare today. Fashion trends come and go, but good dressing sense is timeless. It's not about copying others, but about understanding your body, vibe, and comfort. Wear soft tones if you're calm, darker fits if you're bold. Just make sure it represents you. Neatness matters. There's nothing wrong with repeating outfits, as long as they're clean. Rotate a few good outfits that make you look sharp. Ironing matters too. Even a cheap shirt looks great when pressed. If you're unsure what looks good, start with basics. A white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, blue jeans, clean sneakers, and a good haircut. Over time, you'll discover what fits you best. Ultimately, dressing well isn't about impressing others. It's about self-respect. When you care for your appearance, you'll notice the details that boost your confidence. So when you wake up, think, I see me today. Dress clean, stay fresh, smell good, and move calmly. That energy commands respect without saying a word.